Work smarter, not harder. Make applying adhesive easier on your team with GenFlex QuickJet, a low volatile organic compound, LVOC, adhesive that's faster and easier to install than traditional roll-on options. Works in a variety of applications: GenFlex EPDM, Flex White EPDM, Easy TPO, and Easy TPO fleece back roofing membranes. QuickJet has a warranty of up to 20 years and can be applied in temperatures as low as 25 degrees Fahrenheit with a quick cure time of approximately 6 to 8 minutes, depending on the weather. Get 650 to 1,000 square feet of coverage from each canister of GenFlex QuickJet. Use the resealable canister to save any extra adhesive for your next job. Helpful do's and don'ts. Clean the surface and ensure there are no contaminants. Apply adhesive with an approximate 50% overlap. Before use, shake canister for 30 seconds and then periodically shake during application. It's not approved for use on asphalt surfaces, with PVC, or to be used as a primer. Do not apply in windy conditions exceeding 15 miles per hour, since this could risk overspray. We offer an LVOC canister flush. It's designed to clean and clear spray equipment, as that is hose, gun, and wand, as well as help clean up overspray. If necessary, small parts such as the nozzle, gun tip, and threads can be soaked in LVOC flush or wiped with a cloth that has been saturated with LVOC flush. Available accessories include 2 types of spray guns, one with and one without an extension wand, and a pack of 5 spray tips, and 3 lengths of hoses, the 12-foot being the most popular. Carefully review the safety data sheet. For more information such as disposal, cleaning, and storage, go to www.genflex.com or reach out to technical services at 1-800-443-4272.